Doodle Hog art trays are technically made for kids' crafts, but honestly, they end up being useful for way more. What I liked right away is that the trays are lightweight. They're colorful and easy to carry around, so they work really well for organizing different little stations around the house. One tray can be used for holding spray cleaners, cloths, brushes, which makes it easy to carry everything room to room instead of grabbing individual bottles. You can use it for painting and craft supplies. It can hold paintbrushes, markers, craft supplies, anything you need. The raised edges help keep things contained instead of rolling everywhere. You can use them in an office. They work surprisingly well for sticky notes, pens, office supplies, paperwork piles, and it's a simple way to keep clutter from spreading across the desk. You can use it as a get well tray. One of the cutest uses was turning into one of those little get well trays with medicine, snacks, tissues, small comfort items, and it makes everything easy to carry and keep together. We were sent to test out. And of course, these work great for actual crafts too. Perfect for coloring, Lego pieces, painting, and sensory play. What makes these useful is how versatile they are. They're simple, but once you start using them, you realize they work for organization all over your house.